Hello everybody, my name is Irakudas. Sorry I got shaved this. It's come from blood on my lips but it's dry though. But I only using this one. Yeah. This is Lucas Pow Pow. Just kidding. It came from this one. Smells good. You came from inside. You can heal this thing. And also guys, please like and follow and share, comment down below, and hit the post notifications on. Link in description below. Why you guys unsubscribe to me on my YouTube channel, Live for Ilaktugas, my YouTube channel, and I got 2227 subscribers. So subscribe guys and keep it up for me. I am so close to hitting 1 million subscribers, so if that's okay for me, but just don't unsubscribe to me. So please like, follow, and share, comment down below, and help me to reach 1 million subscribers. I didn't get the verified badge yet, so if you want to buy my favorite Left 4 Dead t-shirt merch, if you are the fans of the Left 4 Dead, so go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow on my Facebook and Instagram and the TikTok shop and my TikTok accounts. So anyway, so if you like guys my singing, and link in my bio right now. Alright, so I'm gonna show you this one. You can swing this one. You can swing this just like a shotgun sound. This called is one from the holding from the phones. You can stick it a bit from mobile and Androids when you can play the games. You can hold this. You have to grip them. You can grip them right now. You can grip them. This foam is really soft. It came that thing. It made really soft and powerful and guns hold. You can, and there's a stand here. You can open this one, and you can close this. It's from S. It's S. It's S pin. You can stand this one. You can close it. You can close this. Oh, see? You see? They putting screw. Wait. They putting the screws there, the bolts ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 bolts screwdrivers. They can fix it on this thing. This called PUBG 5-in-1 mobile gamepad joystick. But I don't have a joystick with a clip things on my phone. You can play this every day, but you don't have to. You can buy it on Lazada.com, TikTok.com. You can search on the Facebook.com. You can search on the website, on the internet, online games, online. This on this Shopee is called. This price is cost. This cost is 60 pesos. 60 pesos only. I live from the Philippines. See, you can play this anywhere. Now this is the mark. The mark is the target. They can put the cross there and the circles with the round things and the little ones there, the big ones circle. And you can take this out. Wait a minute. Like this, but you can play this every time. You can search on the Play Store. You need to look on the lazada.com and search the Gamepad Mobile PUBG 5-in-1 Joystick. It's for free for product price. It came from Shopee store. I can see the screen right now because I can grip this to play. See? Time to come out. So I'm gonna put this phone cover. I can hold the phone, but I don't want to crack this thing. It cost for nothing. But the phone is expensive. The phone is Redmi, the bronze ones. This old picture, it's us, and I bet like 2 years ago, 2024. And the cat meme is really made stretch and ripped. This old photos is really old. See, they're made prints out of it. They're made of blue things. So I'm gonna put it back right now. See, you can buy this everywhere, all around it. So you have to pay for 60 pesos, or you can buy on the this called, it's really thin. This gamepad is really stretched. You can fold this. You can open like this. See, it's very easy. So goodbye guys. If you want to buy this one, so buy on the left for the t-shirt merch, the black and white and XL size with the price. Okay, you can find the store to print your Left 4 Dead logo. So bye everyone, and enjoy video, and I'll see all of you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.